ClampStar Repair Unit Installation Training Video, Distribution Class Unit. Conductor damage can be caused by a variety of issues, such as gunshot, lightning, tree branches, and spacer dampers. ClampStar repair units are available in 3 distribution class sizes and 3 transmission class sizes. All ClampStar repair units will restore the conductor to full tension. This installation will be done using a distribution class unit. Prior to installing the ClampStar, the conductor must be properly prepared by correcting the lay of the wire strands and scratch brushing the area that will be in contact with the ClampStar unit. If necessary, a minimal amount of tape can be used to keep the strands in place. The inhibitor is preloaded from the factory in the conductor grooves of the ClampStar and on the keepers as required. No other inhibitor is to be used. Before placing the CRU unit on the conductor, loosening the nuts may be necessary to ensure the keepers are opened wide enough to accept the conductor. In addition to glove installation, ClampStar units are designed to be installed with hot sticks or shotgun sticks. Optional installation kits are needed for all stick installations and are attached by utilizing the threaded hole on the CRU unit. Place the CRU unit on the conductor with the damaged area centered between the left and right side of the unit. Once positioned on the conductor and to stabilize the ClampStar unit in place, simply leave the hot stick attached until installation is completed. Distribution class ClampStar units are supplied with unique nuts designed to shear at the appropriate torque level. The torque limiting nut negates the need for a torque wrench, assures that proper fastener torque is achieved, and also provides inspectors a means to verify proper installation. To reduce installer fatigue and save a substantial amount of time, the use of power drivers, such as rattle guns or remote-controlled snake guns, are recommended. The nuts may be tightened with a 3/4 inch or 19 mm socket. If necessary, after the shear nut is snapped off, a 15/16 inch or 24 mm socket is required to loosen the nuts. Tighten the nuts in a linear fashion equivalent to the number of layers of aluminum stranding over the core. For example, assume a conductor has 2 layers of aluminum stranding over 7 steel core strands. Apply torque to each nut in succession one time, with the second application of torque continuing until the head snaps off. For distribution class CRU units, this will occur at 55 foot-pounds of torque or 75 Newton meters. Once installation is complete, be sure to remove the installation kit for use in future installations. This conductor is now corrected. Distribution class connectors are corona-free to 138 kV. Corona shields are available for ClampStar units installed on conductors with voltages in excess of 138 kV.